my entire lifetime chasing it, experimenting to realize it, crossing all hurdles to fulfill it. This endeavor continued till I breathed my last breath. Death may have released me from this body prison, but I promise to be always there with you, guiding.
We miss him very great.
Personally, I miss him a lot.
एक दो बार मैंने फ़ोन घुमाने की कोशिश की क्योंकि रोज़ आदत पड़ी हुई थी। फिर ध्यान आया कि भाई वो तो चले गए और फ़ोन तो बजता ही नहीं है।
बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है कि काश दादू होते, काश ये होता।
दादी को बोलती हूँ चलो बाहर चले स्टार को देख के, फिर आपको दादू की याद नहीं आएगी। वो मेरे साथ बहुत मस्ती करते थे और टीवी भी देखते थे और अब वो स्टार बन गए।
जब वो अकेडमी जाते थे तब मैं उनके साथ जाता था, और अगर मैं जा नहीं पाता तो मैं शूटिंग कर रहा होता था अकेडमी में। तो जब मेरी शूटिंग फिनिश हो जाती थी तब वो बैडमिंटन खेल रहे थे, तो मैं गया और फिर मैं उनके साथ खेलता।
We are actually missing him badly.
The entire family misses him a lot and we fail to put them into words.
Bhalla uncle will be alive in our hearts forever.
Like the other visionaries of the world, Dr. O.P. Bhalla's life too was a journey of courage filled with conviction, but sprinkled with hardships, heartaches, joys, celebrations, and moments to cherish. The stuff legends are made of. The foundation of Manav Rachna, epitomized today as the largest university township in Faridabad, find its roots in Dr. Bhalla's momentous journey. We now realize that the seeds of this journey were sown much earlier at the eastern bank of Indus River in Miawali, now in Pakistan. Dr. M.M. Kathuria bears witness to this from the closest possible quarter.
हमारी दोस्ती है डॉक्टर टू डॉक्टर हुई और हमारी जब मुलाकातें होती रही, एक दूसरे को जाना, तो पता चला कि ए टीनेज बॉय फ्रॉम पुअर फैमिली ऑफ मोना विलेज तहसील बल्लभगढ़ took a bold step to run away from his village to Chandigarh to make his career.
Dr. Kathuria's friendship with legend Dr. O.P. Bhalla appears to be a part of heavenly design. The ancestors of both came from Miawali, and the tragedy of partition brought them to this side of the Radcliffe line. Both Dr. Bhalla and Dr. Kathuria happen to be medical practitioners, and quite interestingly, the wives of both the friends were also school teachers, imparting inspiring education to future generations. Dr. O.P. Bhalla and Dr. Kathuria's friendship began as a conspiracy of fate. They had a chance meeting at a chemist shop in Faridabad when they had gone to buy medicines for their clinics. The bond started at a medicine shop, lasted for over an unbelievable but wonderfully long 42 years. 2013 was an year that Dr. M.M. Kathuria wants to forget. He first lost his better half and then his best friend after major surgery. Dr. Kathuria, an otherwise tough man who never misses a challenge, tries to avoid eye contact, and his voice chokes when reminded of his badminton partner.
क्यों उजालों के लिए भटकूं अंधेरों में भला, क्यों उजालों के लिए भटकूं अंधेरों में भला, रोशनी चारों तरफ फैलाऊं मैं। क्यों गमों की दास्तां सबको सुनाता जाऊं मैं।
The story of Dr. O.P. Bhalla is a story of inspiration, a leaf out of history that will guide and provide signal service to all future greats. It all began at a sleepy little hamlet, Mohana in Ballabgarh Tehsil of Faridabad district. Dr. Bhalla was then a teenage boy from a poor family. He saw the shadows of events that foretold ahead of him. He took a risk, a bold step, and ran away from his village to Chandigarh. The legend took his first step to greatness. Interestingly, the then British gazetteer mentions people of Miawali as genuinely bold and hardworking. It is perhaps his genes that took him to inspiring heights. He eventually became a doctor, generating respect and building bridges of friendship in the society.
It was expected that it will definitely go a long way, but the extent could not be imagined at that moment. The extent to which he rose, that could not be imagined at that moment, but I was confident that he will definitely rise to some height.
But this dutiful person felt responsibility of his family and returned to Faridabad in 1970-71 and started his medical vocation. Being the third of the 4 sons of his parents, he took upon himself to help his family and was responsible for the marriage of 2 of his sisters and 1 younger brother. On July 7, 1974, he got married to Satya Chakravarti in a very simple ceremony.
इनकी मेरी मुलाकात एंगेजमेंट के बाद हुई। मेरे को बिना देखे उन्होंने यस कर दी। उन्होंने कहा कि अगर वो देखना चाहे तो मैंने अपने फादर से कहा कि जब वो इतने उससे कह रहे हैं तो मुझे भी नहीं देखना। बिना मिले के हमारी यस हो गई और उन्होंने 1 रुपया लेकर यस लिए, कुछ भी नहीं लिया। और विवाह में केवल 11 व्यक्ति आए। कोई घोड़ी नहीं थी, कोई बैंड बाजा नहीं था, कोई बारात नहीं। डे की मैरिज थी और उसके बाद सीधे आकर होटल प्रिंसेस में रिसेप्शन की।
A very talented and highly educated wife, Satya Chakravarti, inspired and motivated Dr. Bhalla in all his pursuits with full faith and devotion, an ardhangini in true sense.
बचपन से ही उन्हें मतलब कठिन परिश्रम करना पड़ा। जो प्यार बचपन में बच्चों को मिलता है वो उससे वंचित रहे। तो मेरा प्रयास ये था कि जो कुछ उन्हें बचपन में नहीं मिला मैं उनको सब कुछ अर्जित कराऊं, और उसके लिए मैंने अथक प्रयास किया और उसमें उनको सफलता भी मिली।
This couple was blessed with 2 lovely kids, Prashant in 1975 and Amit in 1978. The couple was clear. It was essential for the children to be brought up in an environment of values. Sanskar was the guiding principle, and this is reflected vividly in all the members of the Bhalla family.
याद करता हूँ तो हमारे को वो दिन भी दिखाई देते हैं जब हम पापा के पास एक मोटरसाइकिल होती थी राजदूत। पापा, मम्मी, प्रशांत और मैं, हम चारों उस पर जाया करते थे। तो और ग्रेजुअली आई हैव सीन हिम वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड। एक मुझे ध्यान है, एक वाइट कलर का स्कूटर भी होता था जिसपे आगे खड़े होने की जगह होती थी, तो आगे मैं खड़ा होता था और बाकी पापा, मम्मा और प्रशांत साथ बैठते थे। तो उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पापा की सक्सेस में हमारी मम्मा का भी बहुत ही रोल है। मम्मा ने उनका हर चीज़ में सपोर्ट किया है और हर टाइम पे उनका साथ दिया है। एज अ फैमिली अगर कोई रोल मॉडल एज अ कपल कोई देखना चाहे तो मुझे लगता है वो पापा और मम्मा है।
We used to walk together and We were just traveling somewhere, and we were just walking, and then this all of a sudden I told him that I saw this advertisement of setting up a new dental college. So I thought, this is one building that we are creating, and why don't you consider doing a dental college? He said, okay, done. So we had 1 week, and we had to get all those NOCs from state governments, from universities, from administration. So, and what we achieved in 7 days was a job of 6 months. But he drove me to do it. I was there to execute it. We had people, we had team. So that's how we usually conceptualize things, and that's how we had been doing things. And so he was always in support of whatever new initiatives we had, and typically, like, whenever I propose anything to him, so he was always like, okay, take up the challenge if you feel that you can do it.
Exemplary feat indeed. Satya performed all the duties adroitly as a teacher, a mother, a wife. This was also a moment that was to bring decisive, seminal change in their lives. This was the way destiny was preparing them for challenges that were to come. Prashant and Amit became the two eyes that were to take them far in the path of glory.
ये मेरे बच्चों को मेरे साहब की प्रेरणा है। फिजिकली चाहे वो हमारे बीच में नहीं है, लेकिन वो पग पग पर हमें गाइड कर रहे हैं। उनकी प्रेरणा से ही मेरे बच्चे और मैं आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और हमारा ये प्रयास है कि जो उन्होंने स्वप्न पूरा उठाया था, जो बीड़ा उन्होंने उठाया है, उस कार्य को हम आगे और भी बढ़ाएंगे। और मेरे बच्चों का ये प्रयास है कि जो हमारे पापा जितना जैसा चाहते थे, हम उससे भी ज़्यादा करके दिखाएंगे।
True to his character, Dr. Bhalla, throughout his life, remained concerned about the problems in the society. The nature found a way to give him an opportunity to serve the society by providing the poor and the middle class with low-cost plots to construct their houses.
Dr. Bhalla left his thriving medical practice to jump into the cooperative housing movement.
कमेटी जो है सैनिक कॉलोनी की, सैनिक सोसाइटी की, उनके घर पहुंच गई और हाथ जोड़ के कहा कि हमारी मदद कीजिए। तो मैं भी वहाँ मौजूद था। तो फिर हमारी आपस में बात हुई। तो मैंने कहा, भैया मुझे ये इसका क्या करें? मैं कहा, करो क्या, आप सोशल फील्ड में आ रहे हो, और अगर पब्लिक का भला कर दोगे तो आपका भी भला होगा, वैसे भी आप भला हो। तो हंस पड़े, कहने लगे, तू मेरा साथ देगा? मैंने कहा, दोनों टाइम क्लिनिक जाना पड़ता है। कहता, मुझे तो कहते हो और आप पीछे हट रहे हो। तुम्हारे क्लिनिक के साथ वाली बिल्डिंग में तो सोसाइटी का ऑफिस है, दोपहर को मत सोना। तो इस तरीके से हम आगे बढ़े।
The challenge was truly enormous. The naysayers predicted failure, but Dr. Bhalla's resolve remained unwavering. The beautiful and vibrant Sainik colony stands proof to it. Dr. O.P. Bhalla became the president of the Faridabad ex-Sainik and Karmchari Cooperative Society and remained in that position uncontested and on the trot for 17 long years. He always remained deeply concerned about the atmosphere in the society and how to improve things for the betterment of the human beings.
He used to learn wherever we went. If there was something, some good garden, he used to pick up something. If there was some cleanliness, if there was something in something attractive in a cooperative, in a bazaar, in a educational institution, or in any social organization, he used to learn out of that, and he came back and translated that ideas into practice.
The construction of the majestic Shiv Mandir in the locality epitomized the bond. He offered ₹10 lakh with the condition of names on the placard in front of the temple, but he refused to do this, even with the donations of ₹10 crore. For him, it was only the name of Lord Shiva worth mentioning there.
आस्तिक आदमी थे, नास्तिक नहीं थे। लेकिन कभी भी जब बात होती थी तो उनका स्पिरिचुअल एंगल मुझे लगता था ज़्यादा लगता था और रिलीजियस कम होता था। वो अगर हम इंसानियत की बात करें तो वो अक्सर कहा करते थे कि आंसू कैसे भी हों, उनकी कोई परिभाषा नहीं होती, आंसू एक जैसे ही होते हैं सबके। इस तरह से दुखों की भी कोई परिभाषा नहीं होती। दुख का जो दुखा होना है अपने आप में, वो एक सबके लिए एक बराबर है।
The other leaders would have clung onto the housing society venture for eternity. The true leader decided to move on.
जितने लोग अगर कोई एक चीज़ क्रिएट करते हैं तो उसी के साथ अगर चिपक के रह जाए तो ग्रो नहीं कर सकते। तो जैसे कहते हैं ना कि आदमी कुछ अच्छे काम करता जाता है और छोड़ता जाता है और आगे और अच्छे करता जाता है। तो कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो एक काम करते हैं, उसी काम को चिपक के रहते हैं और उसी के एनकैश करना चाहते हैं सारे लाइफ। आई थिंक ही वाज नॉट लाइक दैट। ही ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू ड्रीम बिग। और मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर आप किसी सपने को सोच सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं तो पूरा अवश्य हो सकता है।
Educating the young generation in a proper way, he felt will go a long way in improving the system, eradicate social evil and enhance moral values in the younger generation. To achieve this goal, he got Manav Rachna Educational Society. However, he felt difficulty in getting the admission of Prashant Bhalla, his elder son, to Good Engineering College, that time mostly located in South India or Maharashtra.
प्रशांत जो है मेरा बड़ा बेटा है, तो उसके एडमिशन के टाइम साउथ में काफ़ी जगह में गया, बेंगलोर, पुणे, बम्बे, और वहाँ मैंने देखा कि नॉर्थ के काफ़ी लोग जो हैं एडमिशन्स के लिए बड़े परेशानी से घूम रहे हैं, बड़ी टेंशन में घूम रहे हैं। तो काफ़ी कोशिशों के बाद उनका प्रशांत का वहाँ एडमिशन भी हुआ, लेकिन वहाँ मुझे बड़ा हर्ट हुआ बल्कि कि जो नॉर्थ के इतने लोग वहाँ घूम रहे हैं और इनको एडमिशन भी नहीं मिल रहा। तो वो तभी मैंने एक मन में एक फ़ैसला किया कि कहीं अगर ज़िंदगी में ऐसा मौका मिला तो मैं नॉर्थ में एक बहुत अच्छा एक इंस्टीट्यूट शुरू करूँगा। और लकीली मैं समझता हूँ मेरी सोच थी ऐसी, और थोड़ा मैं ज़िद्दी स्वभाव का भी हूँ, सोचता हूँ तो करता ज़रूर हूँ।
That was the year 1993 when we were looking at my admission in engineering. There was no option in North, and that was one year there were some challenges in the Supreme Court regarding the whole fixation of the new policy for the admissions in the private engineering colleges. So that time the admission process stretched till October, so we were really not sure that whether that year what is going to happen. So there were lots of problems, lots of challenges, running down to various options in South, and eventually got admission in Pune University and things got settled. But yeah, that challenge and then ultimate that experience of those 4 years where obviously I was away from home and all kind of problems that we used to face, because since we were from North, going to a different place altogether and with nobody there as a family to support you, so it was a challenge, though obviously it helped me in becoming what I am today. But that was a challenge, and then gradually he felt, and he was always having that mindset. Whatever he did in his life, he did this cooperative housing society set up in a not-for-profit structure. Then he went on to set up a Shiv Mandir over there. Whatever initiatives he built, this Samanvay Mandir temple, that was again an initiative. So whatever he did, it was with a social perspective.
When he was planning to start this college, he even asked me, Mr. Kalia, we wanted to start a engineering college. Would you like to be a part of it, or how do you like this idea? Then I asked him where you wanted to start this school, which is the location. He told me that these hills we have selected for the college. I said, Bala Sahab, I don't recommend you to start your college here, because that was a totally isolated area, and there are a lot of theft and burglary on the way people used to do. But he has a very clear vision. He said, Mr. Kalia, you will see one day this road will be the most popular and most usable road for the public, and people will know this road by the name of my college.
The grand structure of Manav Rachna International University is today the most sought after address in Faridabad and Delhi National Capital Region. As Philip Armour says, no general can fight his battles alone. He must depend on his lieutenants, and his success depends on his ability to select the right man for the right place. Dr. O.P. Bhalla had all the hallmarks of a truly great leader. He roped in a seasoned bureaucrat from Haryana, N.C. Wadhwa, as his Vice Chancellor, even before the latter could formally retire. When then CM of Haryana came to know about this, he could only say that the gem had been stolen right under his nose.
I decided to join Manav Rachna Educational Group in April 2009 after my superannuation from Indian Administrative Service, Haryana cadre. Due to my deep interest in education as well as my long association with Dr. O.P. Bhalla ji, who has been a close friend, he had lot of qualities of head and heart. He was an epitome of humility, kindness, and nobility. He was a visionary personality and a dynamic person who would think big, who would act big. He had strong passion to do something special for the society. This is how he thought of contributing to the cause of society through education, and Manav Rachna Educational Group emerged on the scene.
A pioneer entrepreneur, Dr. O.P. Bhalla emphasized on three thrust areas, which would eventually prove to be a differentiator: international collaborations, academia-industry interface, and research and development. The process was thus set with the eventual aim of transforming the institute into a world-class institution in order to prepare its students for the globally competitive environment. Manav Rachna International University has tied up with Lahti University of Applied Sciences, Auckland Institute of Sciences, Algonquin College, Ottawa, and Leeds Metropolitan University, to name a few.
It was a wide array of collaboration that we did specifically for different kind of courses and different kind of initiatives, which ultimately led to quality enhancement. Parallelly, our focus was on, as you mentioned, about employability. So the first thing that we used to hear everywhere was that whatever we are doing or whatever syllabi we are teaching, that is not in tune with what industry is wanting. So we brought industry with us. So any kind of ventures, be it the tie-up with Fortis for healthcare, be it tie-up with KPMG for financial management and MBA and BBA and a BCom course, a BBA banking course that we have introduced with NIT and IFBI and other banks, in which even the placements are being assured at the time of entry itself. So with Jai Bharat Maruti we had done a course in mechanical engineering. With NDTV we recently tied up for their course in journalism. And so whatever initiative we have been taking is basically trying to synergize, trying to bring industry on the table, define things with them, and also ensure that they are also part of the delivery.
Manav Rachna International University, in its pursuit to arm the youngsters with knowledge and skills, to negotiate the challenges of the future, realizes the critical importance of research and development. The efforts put in this are now visible in the quality of students passing out of the university. The Synchromech team of students of Faculty of Engineering and Technology designed, developed and fabricated a fuel-efficient car which participated in Malaysia Cell Marathon. Dr. O.P. Bhalla Incubation Center has been set up with the long-term objective of institutionalization of many more such efforts.
We started the journey for research and development immediately after conferment of deemed to be university status, and the result today we can see we have around more than 2,500 research publication as on date, 30 patents have been filed. This all concept was basically inspired by him.
Dr. O.P. Bhalla himself was very much interested in research. He wanted that each and every person, right from schools to colleges, he should think innovatively. So do something which is research oriented. So keeping that in mind, we established this center so that the students don't feel any limitation about giving shape to their ideas. So we have provided all kinds of facilities to students, and they have to only come out with ideas, and we provide the facilities so that they can translate their ideas into real products.
Cheering for India during the Commonwealth Games and taking lead in welcoming the Olympics heroes on the campus gave a glimpse of the passionate sports lover Dr. O.P. Bhalla was.
He wanted to see Manav Rachana University and Manav Rachana School as a sporty university, a topmost sporty university in the country. In that way, he has given his vision and created this level of infrastructure in the university as well as in Sports Academy, Sector 14 school. It was the art of the facility. I am very sure, I've been to whole India, I've been to half of the world. I never seen this type of sports facilities available in any school.
We are Delhi United.
Ardent believer in the holistic education of child, Dr. Bhalla promoted sports. He set high standards for others to follow, be it the genuine top guns like Olympian Vijay Kumar, Gagan Narang and Ranjan Sodhi, being amongst the students of the university to the world-class sports academy in Faridabad. Manav Rachana is also now country's premier sporting university in the making.
फाउंडर विजनरी डॉक्टर O.P. भल्ला जी थे। उन्होंने हमेशा एक ही चीज़ पे फोकस रखा कि सबसे पहले बहुत ही बेहतरीन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर दिया जाए। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ साथ उसके लिए ट्रेनिंग के लिए बहुत ही अच्छे कोचेस प्रोवाइड करे जाए। तो इस फैसिलिटी को बनाया गया इन्हीं दोनों चीज़ों की मद्देनज़र रखते हुए कि आगे हमें बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटी और बहुत ही बढ़िया ट्रेनिंग और कोचिंग यहाँ पे बच्चों को प्रोवाइड कर सकें। कुछ बच्चे ऐसे हैं जो स्पोर्ट्स को अपना एक करियर चुनना चाहते हैं, उस विजन से इसको तैयार किया गया था।
First time that the kids touched the medal, it was in this very university, and I trained here before going to the Olympics, so it's been a very touching moment for me, and straight away came from the airport out here and in my university, and just being with the kids and being with Shri O.P. Bhalla ji, Amit ji, Prashant ji was a very happy and memorable moment for me.
Steve Jobs famously said that mastery lay in the ability to develop products that the customers did not know they needed before the invention. Dr. O.P. Bhalla's foray into the community radio is a burning example of this.
जिन जिन क्षेत्रों में आज हम रेडियो के माध्यम से लोगों तक पहुंच पा रहे हैं, अपने आप में इतना संतोष देता है, इतनी हमें सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलती है। मुझे ये लगता है कि मैं चाहे गंगा के स्नान के लिए जाऊं या ना जाऊं, चाहे माता वैष्णो देवी जाऊं या ना जाऊं, लेकिन जिस शिद्दत से हम इस इबादत में लगे हुए हैं वो अपने आप में किसी भी पूजा से कम नहीं।
In the children of today lies the future of the country. Dr. Bhalla strongly felt that if the superstructure of the higher education has to change, the process must start from the infrastructure of primary education. Manav Rachna International Schools bear exemplary testimony to this.
Schools were very dear to his heart because schools में जब बड़े बच्चों के साथ घूमते हैं, तो जब बड़े बच्चों के साथ कॉलेज में रहते हैं तो एक डिफरेंट तरीके का इंट्रैक्शन रहता है। और बड़े बच्चों के एटीट्यूड्स जो मैंने पहले भी कहा फॉर्म हो चुके होते हैं, बहुत सारे चेंजेस आप नहीं ला सकते हो और एक लेवल तक इंट्रैक्शन है जो मोस्टली एकेडमिक होता है। जब छोटे बच्चों के स्कूल शुरू हुए तो छोटे छोटे फंक्शंस, छोटे छोटे जो हमारे लाइफ स्किल्स हैं बच्चों को देना, बच्चों में वैल्यूज़ लाना, बच्चों को फैमिली वैल्यूज़ बताना और गेट टुगेदर जहाँ पेरेंट्स इन्वॉल्व होकर बात करते हैं, जहाँ ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स भी आते हैं और जितने भी रिश्तेदार होते हैं वो भी छोटे बच्चे को देखने के लिए स्कूल में पहुंचते हैं। तो ये सारी चीज़ें उनको बहुत अच्छी लगी कि हम सिर्फ बच्चे को ना पढ़ाएं, बच्चे के माध्यम से उसके पूरे परिवार को भी पढ़ाएं।
O.P. Bhalla's entire life was an experiment through personal observations. The insights derived from his experiences were utilized in the benefit of the society. Dada, aap buddhu ho. This innocent words from his granddaughter, while he was unable to operate some modern gizmos, prompted him to organize computer literacy camps for the aged.
The children who taught me, they were more like my grandchildren, and I was happy to learn from them, and my scare was gone, and now I am proud owner of that Apple computer, Apple laptop, and with iPad, and I'm using it beautifully.
A truly multifaceted personality. He organized blood donation camps and thalassemia camps on the Manav Rachna campus. Sensitive to the happenings around him, the Nirbhaya case in Delhi moved him from womb to tomb. He appreciated and admired the role of women and was great advocate for empowerment of women in every walk of life.
He used to encourage me, why you have to call for girls and all, why you need girls? If there are so many boys, why don't you stand equal with the boys? So that way his vision was very, very clear. He was like he was gem of a person.
For me, the name Dr. O.P. Bhalla is something which is synonym to unparalleled. I don't think or I cannot recall anyone who was in comparison to him. Be it home or outside, he had maintained a stature which might be of very, very few people in the world.
The phenomena that he became, the Karwan that he epitomized, the idea that bloomed as O.P. Bhalla left for heavenly abode on 16th September 2013. As Dr. Bhalla breathed his last, all members of the Manav Rachna family felt light going out of their lives. It was such a close-knit family that he built, a true Karmi Yogi. Dr. O.P. Bhalla worked even on his last day.
This gentleman is working for the welfare of the society, and he proved it up to the last day of before the last day of the death.
The man after his death left a legacy in leadership and entrepreneurship that will inspire Manav Rachna mission to grow and let others grow.
He had zeal, he had enthusiasm, and he would always come out with how to implement that plan.
He was a visionary,
and a visionary always dreams of the future. So many of his ideas, initially we used to think, okay, we have to implement this, but the returns, and a leader thinks not of his own institution, he thinks of the society, and that's what he has taught us.
Of course, the shoes are too large to be filled, but the baton is in the safest possible hands of Dr. Prashant and Dr. Amit Bhalla.
Whatever it is, either schools or wherever from whomsoever you want to pick. So go up there.
The Dr. O.P. Bhalla Foundation has been established in the memory of our visionary founder. This envisages to bring about a transformation in the lives of needy and deserving through various philanthropic endeavors. Though we have been doing lots of community development activities through our various departments, but our thought was to institutionalize this particular extension activities, whatever we have been doing under this foundation. Mrs. Shavi Sharma would be the leader in driving it, along with Mrs. Satya Bhalla, our chief patron, who will be the head for this particular foundation. And eventually we are looking at capacity building and creating knowledge societies, and sharing of information and knowledge to enhance and better connectivity would help in creating a good knowledge society. That's the ultimate aim. The foundation would also undertake research activities to further the aim of reaping the benefits of information age and digital literacy. We spoke about the computer literacy program, so whatever initiatives we have been doing, those all will come under this initiative. We have been in the process of creating a suitable corpus, and Srimati Satya Bhalla ji, our chief patron, would be the chairperson for this foundation.
इसी मिशन के साथ ये स्पोर्ट्स अकेडमी में पहला कदम रखा था स्पोर्ट्स में. सो आशा करते हैं कि 2020 ओलंपिक्स में मानव रचना से ज़रूर कोई ना कोई ओलंपियन वहाँ पहुँचेगा.
We are looking at Olympics, we are looking at Nobel laureates emerging out of our institutions, we are looking at entrepreneurs, we are looking at innovative products coming out of our campus. So that's what we are ultimately aiming at.
The Colossus life had many facets, each competing for an abiding memory space in the hearts and minds of his thousands of well-wishers and admirers. Tenacity and never say die attitude taken straight out of his Miyawali roots, the warmth of which everyone misses till date.
सृष्टि का नियम है, जो आया है उसको एक दिन जाना है, लेकिन जो समय पर जाता है, समय पर फसल कटती है तो तकलीफ कम होती है. समय से पहले कोई जाता है तो तकलीफ होती है सभी को, खास तौर पर उन व्यक्तियों को जिनका संपर्क जाने वाले से रहा हो.
Village boy from Mona in Tehsil Ballabgarh in Faridabad, who took up one idea and made that idea of his life. He thought, dreamt, and lived that idea till he left this beautiful planet.
थोड़ा मैं जिद्दी स्वभाव का भी हूँ, सोचता हूँ तो करता जरूर हूँ. तो मेरी कोशिश होती है या तो सोचो नहीं या सोचो तो करो जरूर.
His divinely made for each other relationship with his wife Satya Chakravarti.
I am very lucky कि मुझे एक बहुत अच्छी बीवी मेरी अच्छा पार्टनर मिला है. और ये बिल्कुल सही बात है कि आज 34 या 35 इयर्स हो गए हमारी शादी को. शायद ही कभी ऐसा दिन आया हो कि ऊंची आवाज़ में भी बात की हो.
हमारे विवाह को इतने वर्ष हो गए, कभी हमारे आपस में ऊंची बात नहीं हुई, कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं हुआ.
Medical practitioner and humane entrepreneur par excellence, who played a pivotal role in changing the face of the city where he lived.
It was his courage, his conviction of his vision of making Faridabad a center of excellence in education that really drove him. I would say he even challenged his own destiny in order to get that goal of his.
An ultimate family man, loved, adored, and admired by his grandchildren.
कभी कभी मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे डांटते थे तो मैं रोते रोते दादी के पास जाती थी, एंड
एंड दादू को इतना गुस्सा आता था उस टाइम पे, लाइक ही यूज्ड टू गो टू माय मदर एंड स्कोल्ड हिम, लाइक तूने ऐसा क्यों किया, हाउ डेयर यू डू दैट एंड ऑल। उस टाइम मुझे बहुत अच्छा भी लगता था बट कभी कभार बुरा भी लगता था, बट मेरे दादू मुझे बहुत प्यार करते थे। और अब जैसे मुझे डांट पिटती है तो देयर इज़ नो वन टू शेयर कि हाँ मुझे अब डांट पिटी है, कोई नीचे नहीं होता, अब कोई नहीं है मेरे पास, तो अब बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है कि काश दादू होते, काश ये होता।
बस यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि वो मेरे साथ ही रहे, हर रोज़ मेरे साथ सेम चीज़ करे, खेले, मस्ती करे। वो मेरे साथ बहुत मस्ती करते थे और टीवी भी देखते थे, और अब वो स्टार बन गए और अब वो सुपरमैन भी बन गए और वो अब किसी को भी बचा सकते हैं। जब मेरा बर्थडे होता है तब मैं शिव मंदिर जाता था उनके साथ। वो कहते थे कि आप आग के पास मत आया करो, मतलब मुझे कुकिंग करने का बहुत शौक है तो मैं किचन में जाके बैठ जाता हूँ और वहाँ पे फिर वो बोलते हैं कि मत जाया करो ऐसे।
Father-like figure for his bahus, who liked being called daughter and not daughter-in-law, who were fond of his culinary skills.
He believed and treated me like a daughter. In-law word was, I think, and was missing in his dictionary.
He was a perfect cook. I'll say a perfect cook. Whenever he just eats anything, he feels like, no, I have to prepare that. And mind it, he was not a non-vegetarian. He used to eat vegetarian food, but he used to prepare a lot of non-vegetarian food for us.
Chancellor Sir, your journey has given us woods which are lovely, dark and deep. But we have your promises to keep. Miles to go before we sleep. Miles to go before we sleep.